Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Because, let's face it, nobody wants to spend their hard-earned cash on a camera that just takes selfies of their cat. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, where the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS faces off against the Canon EOS R10. Let's see which one will be crowned the ultimate, budget-friendly photography powerhouse. Spoiler alert, one of them might just end up being your new best friend. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The LUMIX G7KS comes in at a wallet-friendly $697, making it a fantastic value for those on a budget. Amazon reviewers highlight its impressive performance and quality for the price, saying it's a great mid-level camera. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R10 struts in at a hefty $1,379, which some users feel is a bit steep, especially for beginners. Reviewers noted that while the R10 performs excellently, its price might require some serious consideration for those just starting out in photography. So if you're looking to save some cash, the G7KS is definitely looking like the more sensible choice. Now let's talk about image quality. The LUMIX G7KS boasts superb DSLM image quality without the bulk of traditional DSLRs. Reviewers rave about its combination of features and image quality, making it a strong contender for daily photography. On the other hand, the R10 features Canon's DIGIC-X image processor, which enhances performance for sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. Reviewers have praised the R10 for its excellent ergonomics and image quality, especially for automotive and wildlife photography. So, if you want to impress your Instagram followers, both cameras have got you covered. But the Canon might just give you that extra pizzazz. Next, we have autofocus. The LUMIX G7KS has fast and precise autofocusing with multiple modes, making it ideal for capturing those spontaneous moments. Reviewers appreciate its accuracy and speed, especially for action shots. On the other hand, the R10 features smart and speedy autofocus technology that keeps your subject in crystal clear focus. Many users have highlighted its autofocus capabilities as a standout feature, particularly for fast-moving subjects. So if your life is one big action movie, the R10 might just be your hero. Let's talk about battery life. Because nothing ruins a good photo op like a dead battery. The LUMIX G7KS is all about unwiring your creativity with integrated Wi-Fi sharing, but it doesn't mention battery life, so that's a bit of a mystery. Reviewers have noted that while the G7KS performs well, the battery life could be a concern for extended shoots. The R10, however, operates with a Canon LPE17 battery pack and offers a USB power adapter for charging while you shoot. Many users have pointed out that the battery life is shorter than desired, so getting extra batteries is recommended. So if you're the kind of person who likes to shoot and charge at the same time, the R10 is your buddy. And finally, portability. The LUMIX G7KS is class-leading and ultra-compact, perfect for slipping into your bag. Reviewers love how easy it is to carry around, making it ideal for travel. The R10 is also compact and lightweight, with a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold during long shoots. Users appreciate its portability as well, especially for capturing moments on the go. So when it comes to taking your camera everywhere, both of these options are travel-ready. In summary, the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS is a fantastic budget-friendly option with impressive performance, making it highly recommended by users. The Canon EOS R10, while pricier, offers excellent image quality and advanced features that also receive high praise. Both cameras have their strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. So there you have it, folks. The Panasonic LUMIX G7KS is the budget-friendly image quality beast that's perfect for everyday use, while the Canon EOS R10 is the pricier, overachieving superstar that's ready for action. In the end, it all boils down to your needs and how deep your pockets are. Remember, whether you're capturing memories of your cat or that epic road trip, choose wisely. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart buying tips, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd choose. Until next time, keep buying smart, folks.